Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Bridge Designer 2016. We're going to take you through the basics of creating a steel bridge. So the first thing you will find when you launch the program is this particular window. We'll just create a new bridge with a design. The program is going to take us through a series of options to decide. It doesn't really matter at this point which one we are going to do. So we'll just click next, click next, click next, click next, next, design by, put our initials perhaps, and number 1. Okay, next, and finish. What the computer has given us is the layout, the cut through of the bridge. We have here the foundations on either end of the bank of the river, and we have got the basic tarmac road, and here we have this cross-cut bars which we're going to use to lay out our bridge. Here we have the material, different materials here with different costs. We have an option of solid bar or hollow tube, and here we have the size of the bar. Now, the basic design, we'll just pick a reasonable size bar. The basic design is to use these points, bars, and if we can delete any bars with all points that we have made by error. My suggestion is that you first lay out the points and just try to use them in a symmetric way. So you just keep doing that to a certain distance, using the ruler quite well, and perhaps there as well. Okay, we now will add bars, so we can do it very quickly by selecting all the points there, and we'll add bars. And the main principle in bridge design is that all points must belong to a triangle. So we'll add bars there, and there, and there. We can do the same across in like so manner, making sure we have consistent layout of triangles. There. And there. Okay, so we have here on the right hand side the data and the information about each bar and the kind of strength capacity that it will have and the force that will be suffering from just simply being where they are. We can now click on simulation to see if our bridge has been successfully done, and it's possible it hasn't. So there it is, and it has just about. There's a problem. So let's analyze the situation. We have got this red color here, and we have excessive compression force, and that is showing in red. Okay, and therefore our bridge is not healthy. I'm going to click back to the design, and it's showing us the particular bars where there is an issue. Those two bars have got problems. They are subjected to too much force and they're not strong enough. So I could just select the bar and up perhaps the thickness of the bar. That will make it stronger. That might solve the problem. Might increase the thickness on that one as well, and that one as well. Because what will happen is that the force will probably move towards the adjacent bars, causing problems. So we'll see. Right. Looks like it has worked. The bridge is successful. You can go through. We can have a look at the budget here of the bridge. And the other thing that is very useful, and we'll be working with this later, is this button here that will show the table with all the data, including the strength and the force objected to. And we can see where the force is much greater than the strength, then there is a problem. But we'll analyze that later on in another video. Okay, so just going to copy this to the clipboard and close it. And that's our bridge.